These are the 5 most unreliable Audi models that look like luxury, but behave like financial disasters. And trust me, number 1 is the kind of car you only buy once. Starting with number 5, the Audi A63.0T from 2012 to 2016. On the outside, it's a business-class masterpiece, and that supercharged V6 feels amazing. But behind the scenes, this thing is a ticking time bomb. Water pumps fail, thermostats crack, and the timing chain tensioners love to give up at the worst possible moment. One overheating episode can cost you thousands. People buy these thinking they got a deal, then end up paying the price of another A6 just to keep it alive. Number 4. The Audi Q7 from 2007 to 2014. The SUV that tricks you with size, comfort, and that big luxury vibe, right before it empties your bank account. The air suspension loves dropping the whole car like it's tired of working. Electrical issues pop up like surprise guests you never invited. And the timing chain on these early Q7s? Hidden at the back of the engine, meaning repairs that feel like you're paying for someone to dismantle the entire car. This is one of those SUVs that looks like a family hero, but becomes the villain in every repair bill. Number 3. The Audi A42.0T from 2009 to 2012. This one is practically famous for drinking oil like it's staying hydrated for a marathon. Some owners report burning a quart of oil every 500 miles. That's not a car, that's a mobile oil-scented candle. And if that wasn't enough, these engines build up carbon on the intake valves like they're trying to create art inside the engine. Misfires, rough idle, and endless check engine lights are the A4's greatest hits. Number 2. The early 2000s Audi Allroad. This car deserves an award for having every expensive part fail at least once. Yes, it's cool. Yes, it's unique. But the air suspension constantly drops, the turbos wear out, and the electronics are basically held together by hope and luck. Owning one of these is like dating someone exciting but deeply chaotic. You'll have fun for a month, then spend the rest fixing problems you didn't even know cars could have. And number 1. The Audi A8 from 2004 to 2012. The undisputed king of unreliable Audis. It's beautiful, smooth, powerful, and absolutely terrifying to maintain. This car is so packed with complicated tech that nearly every system becomes a weak point. The air suspension, the transmission, the MMI electronics, the cooling system, the sensors, you name it, it can fail, and when it fails, it takes friends down with it. Owners call it the car that depreciates faster than it accelerates. If you think you're getting a deal buying a used A8, you're not. You're adopting a full-time project. So before you buy that cheap used Audi, thinking you scored luxury on a budget, remember this. If the price seems too good to be true, it's probably because the last owner escaped and never looked back. Comment, "Reliable Audi," if you want the top Audi models that won't try to financially body slam you.